Hey guys, it's Alexis. I recently made a video, so check it out. I'll put a link down below. Okay, so I'm going to be singing Thrift Shop without the music because I messed up on my other one, and I want to do a good one because I've gotten better at it. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. Nah, walking to the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped up, bought some shit from the thrift shop. I see my friends, it's so damn frosted that people like, damn, that's a cold ass hunky. Rolling in a hella deep, heading to the mezzanine, dressing all pink. Can I get her shoes? Those are green, draped in a love of me. Girl standing next to me, probably should have washed. It smells like R. Kelly sheets. Piss. But shit, it was 99 cents. If I get caught in it, watching it, about to go and get the compliments, passing up on those markers. Someone else has been walking it but me and Gritty fucking man. I'm stinching and flossing, I'm saving my money, Miller. Happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa's style, I'ma take your grandpa's style. No, for real, ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-downs? The lower jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found in. I had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace, Santa Mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my friend's game, hell no. I could take some pro-ins, make him cool, sell those to sneakerheads to be like, oh, he got the Velcros. I'm gonna pop some tags when I got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. What you know about walking a wolf running elegant? What you know about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through the luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Think of granddad, put it in that plaid button up shirt, cause right now I'm up in her skirt top. You could find me in that section and that. I am tired of looking in that section now. You grab me your auntie, your mommy, your mammy. I'll take those photos, eat a second. Jammy's second hand, I rock that motherfucker. The button onesie with the socks and the motherfucker. I hit the party in the stomp and the motherfucker. They'll be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, it's a simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt. That's some ignorant rich bitch. I call that getting swindled and pierced, bitch. Shit, I call that getting tricked by business. That's just hella dope. And at least the same 1 to 6 other people in this club is a hella dope. Pete came, come take a look through my telescope, trying to get girls with that brand, then you hella won't. Goodwill happened. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I wear your granddad's clothes, I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from the thrift shop down the road. I wear your granddad's clothes, damn right, I look incredible. Come on, I'm in this big ass coat from the thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. Hopefully you guys liked it. Bye.